In the quiet town of Abruz, Sulano, Nueva Vizcaya, there's live an famous artist, Mr. Marlin C. Lopez. He does not only draw because of inspiration, but for her daughter. Every canvas that he paints, every art piece that he created is for our future generation to be inspired and follow in his footsteps. An artist, a father, a legal assistant, and a visionary, Marlin's journey to art began at age 11. Despite studying electronics engineering and later pursuing law, it was the call of the canvas that stayed with him. He graduated with a degree in electronics and communications engineering, Central Colleges of the Philippines, Quezon City, and studied law at St. Mary's University. But art would become his lifelong pursuit, drawing influence from Van Gogh, Monet, Pollock, and local painter James Maglub. Lopez fused self-inspiration with innovation.
What inspired you to become a painter?
Yung love of imagination, di ba? Yung love of imagination, tapos yung solitude. Parang mas peaceful sa akin pag nag-work ako mag-design. Then, create ka, then very overwhelming yung joy after yung creation. Yung sa yung feeling. Yung exploration, yung process, all the rest parang nakalock-in ka dun sa gusto mong i-visualize.
Marlin's art evolved from traditional oil paintings to thought-provoking sculptures made of recycled cigarette filters. His use of upcycled materials reflects his message: transformation, redemption, and awareness. Each piece bears a story of emotion, reflection, and experience.
Anong naging inspiration niyo po? Paano niyo naisip ang paggamit ng sigarilyo sa artwork niyo?
Hindi ko naisip just accidentally kasi smoking kasi sa Kahisog kasi puro basa ng basa, di ba? Hindi ka pag hindi ka puro kape-kape, magsigala ko para at least meron kang hindi ka makatulog konti. Yun. Then, sa open lang, nilalaro ko lang. I guess meron, ba? In-open ko, then parang star. You know? Ginawa ko siyang star. Kasi kung lang filter parang cotton lang. Then sinausaw ko sa Boysen. Dumikit naman na doon. Then pinatawanan ako ng pinsan ko noon, yung sa plant. That's too smelly, sabi niya. Pero ito, whenever nagbibigay, binababad ko na lang dun sa sunrocks and soap. Then,
Mr. Marlin held his first solo exhibit, Paintings Reunited, at the People's Museum and Library in Bayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya, from June 13 to July 13, 2011. Since then, his work has gained regional and national attention. He was named Best Artist in 2015 Art Lead Competition, placed second in the 11th GSIS Art Competition in the non-representational category, and was honored as an Art Lead Hall of Famer in 2016. His work was also featured in publications such as the Daily Tribune and Art Plus magazine. In 2015, Marlin's Outcries, a 3 by 4 foot acrylic oil abstract, won second prize in the GSIS Art Competitions non-representational category. His first competition ever, Marlin's palette knife became his chosen tool, slicing paint into textures.
How do you feel about the recognition you received as a local artist?
it keeps you inspired naman. Parang Huwag mo lang pagmayabang. Ayaw kong pagmayabang lang. Hindi already broadcast it eh. Paulit-ulit nga. Pero, yan na lang. Siguro, as a resume mo na lang. Ang galing mo na lang sa resume mo. Then stop. Sa isang recognition. Dapat trabaho always. Kasi yun yung pinuntahan natin. We should work. Yun ang idea ko dun. So recognition is only a bonus.
He is the founder of the Art Appreciations and Awareness Advocacy in the province of Nueva Vizcaya and a member of key cultural organizations, the Art Association of the Philippines, Nueva Vizcaya Art Guild, Nueva Vizcaya Mountaineering Society Inc., and Pajak Tulak Mountain Makers. In 2024, Marlin was selected for a national mural collaboration organized by the Cultural Center of the Philippines in Tagum City. Representing Nueva Vizcaya, amid regional flooding, he joined fellow artists to bring color and hope through collective expression. That same month, he took part in Vizcaya Sining Bida 2024, a celebration of National Arts Month, with new projects like Art Attack, the Postcard Project, and Music Kasiyahan sa Kapitolyo, enriching the province cultural landscape.
What has been your most memorable project or painting so far?
Yung sumali ko sa GSIS, Outcries. Inspiration ko yung, matagal ko ng vision yun nung nag-aaral pa ako sa nag-exhibit na ako na naman dyan. Sumala ko sa GSIS. I just want to express kasi gusto ko sumali. Hindi ko na-expect. Parang gano'n din siguro ako sa labas. It took me 1 month to do it. Kasi nag-work ako ng morning, ng day sa law office. Tapos ginagawa ko lang ng gabi. Tapos weekend. They call me na finalist ako. Ayaw ko pumunta, pinipilit pa rin ako. That's very memorable sa akin. Nung nandun ako, yun pala yung matatanggap ko.
Marlin Lopez was not just an impassioned teacher and mentor, but also one of the bright minds in the artistic world. Marlin Lopez is also one of the judges in a local artist or art contest. He is well known for his many aspiring and local artworks, but especially because he is nurturing the next generation of artists in our province.
What advice would you give to aspiring artists?
You have a strong heart. Study yung art na gusto nilang style. Akin, na-inlove ako sa reading kasi yun sa SMU. So, dami kong access dun sa libro. Binuwang ng library dun. So, dami art book. Hindi na ako sa library ng law pupunta. Doon ako sa main library pupunta. Evening na yung klase namin noon, pero morning nandun ako. So I have dami kong oras na magpinta. So yun, sa mga artists, mga young artists, di naman kung ano yung gusto nila yun. Yun lang.
Through lines and shapes are not only the way Mr. Marlin C. Lopez paints, just like one of his ongoing artwork. You cannot only see the lines and the shapes that he used, you can also see the passion and the emotions that he is expressing through colors and through the meaning of his art. From Nueva Vizcaya to a national stage, you can see that Mr. Lopez has accomplished many things, and this cannot be done without sacrifices. This cannot be done without the power of love for her daughter and with his family. He values everything in his life, and that can lead to many inspiration for our future generation.